Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Uptown is the historic heart of Saint John, New Brunswick, and one of the most recognizable neighborhoods in Atlantic Canada. Sitting on a peninsula between the Saint John Harbour and the Saint John River, it serves as the city's commercial, cultural, and historic center. Several thousand people live in the neighborhood, while many more come here every day to work, shop, dine, and explore. Uptown combines centuries of history with modern businesses, making it one of the most vibrant parts of the city. The neighborhood's history dates back to the arrival of the United Empire Loyalists following the American Revolution. Saint John was incorporated as a city in 1785, making it the oldest incorporated city in Canada, and Uptown quickly became its center of government, trade, and commerce. A devastating fire in 1877 destroyed much of the business district, but the city was rebuilt with impressive brick and stone buildings that still stand today. This reconstruction created one of Canada's finest collections of Victorian commercial architecture, much of which has been carefully preserved. Many of Saint John's best-known landmarks are found in Uptown. The Saint John City Market has operated continuously since the 1870s and is Canada's oldest continuously operating farmers' market. Market Square, the New Brunswick Museum, King Square, Loyalist House, Trinity Royal Heritage Conservation Area, and the Waterfront Boardwalk are all located within walking distance of one another. Uptown offers a wide variety of housing, from restored 19th century townhouses and heritage buildings to modern condominiums and apartment developments overlooking the harbor. Living in the neighborhood appeals to those who enjoy being close to restaurants, shops, entertainment, and cultural attractions. Average home prices generally range from about $300,000 to $500,000, while luxury condominiums and fully restored heritage properties can sell for considerably more. Rental apartments are also common, making Uptown one of the city's most diverse residential areas. Today, Uptown offers visitors a unique blend of history and modern city life. Historic churches stand alongside cafes, restaurants, breweries, galleries, and locally owned shops. Cruise ships regularly bring visitors from around the world, adding to the lively atmosphere along the waterfront. Saint John is the oldest incorporated city in Canada, receiving its city charter in 1785. However, the area's history extends much further back. Long before European settlement, the Wolastoqiyik, also known as the Maliseet people, lived and traveled throughout the Saint John River watershed. French explorers arrived during the early 1600s, followed later by British settlers. After the American Revolution, thousands of Loyalists settled here, helping shape the city's future and making Saint John one of the most important communities in British North America. Today, Saint John has a population of approximately 73,000 people, while the greater metropolitan area is home to more than 130,000 residents. The city sits on the Bay of Fundy, famous for having some of the highest tides in the world. These dramatic tides create one of Saint John's most famous natural attractions, the Reversing Falls Rapids, where powerful tidal currents can actually reverse the flow of the Saint John River twice each day. This natural phenomenon has attracted visitors for generations. The city's economy has long been built around its harbor. The Port of Saint John is one of Canada's busiest ports and handles cargo from around the world. Other major employers include the Irving Oil Refinery, one of the largest oil refineries in Canada, along with manufacturing companies, healthcare facilities, educational institutions, transportation businesses, and government offices. Tourism also plays an important role, especially during the cruise ship season, when thousands of visitors arrive to explore the city's historic streets and waterfront. Saint John continues to evolve while maintaining its connection to its past. Historic buildings stand alongside modern businesses, active industries, and growing residential neighborhoods. Whether someone is interested in history, natural attractions, local culture, or life on Canada's Atlantic coast, Saint John offers a combination of experiences that reflect more than 4 centuries of development and one of the richest maritime histories in the country.
Thanks for watching!